but it's also kind of a casual term for someone who knows all. Do y'all hear my wheezing? Wonder why I'm wheezing. That can be a sign one of your products that you have used, you're allergic to it. Did you know that? If you start wheezing after you use it. That's what happened after I had my nails done. God, listen. If after I had my nails done, I knew that something was wrong because I was walking out of the nail shop, I was wheezing. And I thought, well, it must just be, you know, it has a lot of powder in the air and all that. It's probably just got to me. No, that's a sign that you're allergic to something. And sure enough, almost immediately, I started having that gunk under my nails that looks like when you fall down. It's plasma. And you get, you start skinning your knee. I mean, you skin your knee and you start healing, and it's got that little clearish, orangey color. It's not orangey, it's blood in it. Liquid that scabs over and, you know, hardens and then it becomes a scab in skin. That is plasma. So that was coming out from under my nails, meaning my body was trying to heal my nail beds, which means severe reaction. So that was something I shouldn't ignore. And I'll tell you, it's hard because I love me some, what am I trying to say? Nails. Okay, so we're using the DHC liquid liner probe. It's a liquid eyeliner EX. And I love it because it's got such a small little brush. And this is not, by the way, this is not a felt tip. It's the actual brush. Which means you've got so much better control. And it makes it so thin. Oh my goodness. I've now gotten used to the thick. So this is almost like negligible to me. I'm going to do it in little dashes. You go in front and then you can go back and reinforce each little dash. And that's one way to do it without... Look how thin that is, y'all. I'm so used to thick now that doesn't look like I've even barely done anything. It is much thinner. I didn't blend out here. Alright, so right off the end and up. There. I think because I'm right-handed and this is now on the right side of my body, and I'm trying to kind of go over my lashes without messing them up. Yeah, I just messed up. But you know, I kind of like it because, ooh, Beth. I feel like this isn't very noticeable. It isn't. So I'm going to kind of thicken this up over here too. What I'm doing is I'm making a little line above it and then I'm going to fill them in. Wow, have I made a mess. But you know what? The brush is so tiny you can't even see the mess. Coming under it. There we go. And because my skin's not taut. I don't know that when I was younger it was much more taut though, you know? But there is a good bit of paint at this little tip and brush. I feel like it's even enough. This is even old, like the little paint's coming off. And it's still doing just amazing. So, the only other thing to do is waterline liner. And that is the IT Cosmetics No Tug Waterproof Anti-Aging Gel Liner. Can you believe I can say that fast now? And because of the gel consistency, it goes on so easy without me even having to like, you know, pull this down with my finger. I don't even have to. There we go. Look, I didn't even have to really try that hard. Am I even? I feel like I'm even. There. Whoops. There's a little dog hair on the end. How does that even happen? They're not even here. But they've been here.